My name is Marcus Williams. The name of my workshop is Navigating Through New Instructional Norms, and it's essentially just an overview of different techniques that professors can use to enhance their digital efficiency now that everybody is pretty much forced to have some type of control over a blended learning environment. So the workshop is designed to maybe open the eyes of professors and instructors to help give them some more power and find some tools that work for them. How can you take your normal face-to-face class environment and make it feel exactly the same over a digital environment? Or if you're in a hybrid environment where you have students in front of you and students online, how can you make that experience just as exciting, as impactful as it would be if everybody was in the same place? And how can you make that technology work for you? How can you streamline everything and save some time and save some energy using the technology? So that type of digital efficiency is what I'm looking for the participants to take back with them. I have been in education for about 15 years. The last 7 years have been at the K-12 level. I'm also a virtual instructor. I conduct tutorials and I teach classes virtually even before this pandemic occurred and everything is now hybrid or online. And I just feel that it's very important that people like me who are in classrooms and who are responsible for delivering content to students have every tool that is available to them to give them more opportunities to be creative and come up with ways that can reach students at the level where they are. Right now, everybody has a cell phone in their hand or something that's just as capable on their wrist, and we have to keep up with the times. And so students have to find the same value in listening to you teach online as they do as watching a TikTok video or watching a YouTube video. And so this is what influences me to get out there and share the methods that I use that have worked in my classroom for my students to other people who are doing the same work as me.